Welcome to the research world. In this video tutorial, I will compare the ChatGPT with the Google Gemini regarding the translation of research papers, academic documents and assignments, etc. So we will see that which AI, either the Google Gemini works best or ChatGPT. So let's follow the steps. I have an academic paper in Spanish language. You can see that it is an academic paper in Spanish language, and I need this paper to convert into the English language. This PDF consists of 13 pages. So first, let's try the ChatGPT to translate this whole paper that is almost 13 pages into the English language. Click on this plus icon for uploading photos and files. Select the file. Click Open and write the prompt as convert the whole text in this paper into English language. Wait for the ChatGPT. Our file is still uploading. Once the uploading is final, we will ask ChatGPT to convert the whole text into the English language. The ChatGPT has started analyzing this PDF document, but you can see that it is saying, due to the document's length over 10,000 words, the full English translation is too large for a single message. Now switch to the Google Gemini. Click on the plus icon for adding PDF paper. Click Open and write the same prompt here, that is, convert the whole text in this paper into English language and do not provide the summary or key points only. Once the upload is final, click on this Submit option. The Google Gemini has started analyzing this PDF document. Google Gemini is converting the overall text in this paper into English language. Scroll down and it's still converting the Spanish language into the English language. You can see that the Google Gemini has successfully converted this paper in Spanish language into the English language in a single click, while the ChatGPT failed to convert our paper in the Spanish language to the English language. It means the Google Gemini has outclassed the ChatGPT given the translation task.